to this problem is invention survey or multimedia sensors. They consider the critical event surveillance using the audio and video sensors to monitor the event occurring in a given area. The next author is the Ahmed. In the year of 2017, he introduced the complex complexity and he achieved the adaptive traffic shaping of multimedia streaming using the multi-path forwarding with dynamic cost calculation for the next post-production. The next author, Himmet Kaur. In the year of 2018, he proposed a structure from motion. Considering the various scenes and motion patterns, they concluded that key state bundles, adjustment of performance filtering methods. The next author is the Hum and You. In the year of 2018, he proposed the localization with the mobile sensors or cameras. The authors integrated information from the mobile devices, accelerometers, gyroscopes and cameras to determine the 3D location of the distant objects. Next slide. Now I am going to explain about the block diagram. Firstly, the camera. It acts like a pencil. It used to capture the images. Image is the input. Hardware is the Raspberry Pi. It is the processor. It is a series of small single boards. It took the
images from the camera, then build the algorithm. The algorithm is YOLO, means you only look once. It is an effective real-time object recognition algorithm. First described in the seminar.
Kirtana batch is doing. Yes or no, Kirtana? Kirtana, are you there? Kirtana, Vicky girl? Jyotishri? Sabin ma'am?
Yes.
The same project ma'am, Kirtana batch is doing ma'am.
Title same now.
No ma'am, titles are different. Technique, but I don't know which techniques they are using here.
Then we look after. Let them finish. Then we'll take a decision.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. YOLO algorithm means you only look once. It is an effective real-time object recognition algorithm first described in the seminal 2015 paper by the Joseph Redman et al. Power supply and the battery are connected to the hardware to supply the voltage. Next is the ultrasonic sensor. It sends the input and gives the signal to the hardware. Then drivers, L2 and 3D, it is used to rotate the DC motors. In this hardware, we use the two DC motors, DC1 and DC2 motors. There are two things in the DC motors, VCC and ground. When the VCC is 1 and the ground has 0, then the DC motor rotates in the clockwise direction. When the VCC is 0 and the ground has 1, then the DC motor rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. For example, we are building a vehicle which is autonomous, means driverless, which can move without having the driver and sense the obstacle automatically. It goes to the source and come back to the position. Next slide. Implementation. First is the hardware interfacing and coding using Python. Second is the server setup using the MySQL. MySQL used for creating database. Third one is the web application development. We are storing the data that's why we are using the web application. Fourth one is the interconnecting the hardware server and the web application and transmitting the data. Rest of the topic continued by Manasa. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Manasa. I am continuing with the topic disadvantages of existing system. Human committee errors and mistakes. This leads to a problem and accuracy will be very less. And also more amount to be spent for manual security person and drivers also. not a luxurious. Proposed system. Proposed system consists of a input components and output components. Input components are battery, camera, ultrasonic sensor, and output is motor L293D RVR used. It is mainly used to drive end user. The first cell is particularly use their service. For example, in a manufacture of a soap factory, a soap is moving from one machine to another machine for packaging purpose. In that place, we can also place a robot. It saves the time. Next one, ambient assistant living and health application. Ambient assistant living tools are advances the human machine interaction. The common tools are used for ambient assistant living means mobile, robot and wearable sensor, etc. Able to control health conditions. Robotics. Robotics is one of the main applications of localization. Nowadays we are using a robotics more than a human being because what the human done it by with 24 hours, it can be done by a robot in an hour. Many researches and development are conducted for implementing a robot system application. The next advantage is cellular network. Location information are used to address the many challenges in cellular network. One of the biggest challenges of the network is loss of separate signaling and data channels. To overcome this, we use a cellular network. The next topic is scope of the project. Typical applications of 3D localization, it monitors the area, private event and public property, and also these are perimeters which can improve the quality of our lives. Means the 3D localization robot we can also use it in a security purpose also. We develop a vehicle that is autonomous. Example, drive a car without a drive. Instead of a driver, we can use a robot. It detects the obstacle and reach the destination. And also 3D robot localization also used in hospitals. If instead of absent in the any specialist, we can train the robot, we can make use of them. Thank you. Next topics are explained by Karthik.
Good morning everyone, myself Karthik. I am going to explain technology used by hardware tools. First one, camera with 160 FOV fisheye lens. Fisheye lens is an ultra-wide angle lens that produces strong visual distortion intended to create the wide panoramic and semi-spherical image. Second one, camera mount. Camera mount is the mechanical depth of the mechanics along with a diameter and depth. Different mechanical mount system are used to connect a lens of lens. Devices and fluid medium and power supply for the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is supplying requirements to the online Raspberry Pi. Raspberry is 5.1 volt supply, but current is supplied generally
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಮೇ
to the modules. All modules up to Raspberry Pi requirement micro unitive selling position power connector.
ಬೈ
Trans receiver.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಮೇ
In radio communication, transceiver is a device that is able to both transmitter and receiver. In information through transmission medium. Transmitter and receiver housed together in a single unit and having some circuit from portable or mobile use. And motor shield is the derived model of the motor that allows to use control and working speed and directions of the motor. Motor shield allows to easily controls the motor direction and speed. Various navigation and tools. Navigation
Karthik, tell
Navigation
me
is
something more about heat sink tools.
This tool is the positive heat exchanger that transfer the heat generated by electronic devices and fluid medium. Next one is motor shield. Motor shield is a derived model from motors and allow to the use control and working speed is direction to the of the motor. Motor shield allows to easily control motor direction and speed. Variation navigation tools.
ಕೆಲಸ ಐತೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಐತೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಐತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ 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 ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಅವರ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾರಿ ತಗಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾಂ ಏಯ್ ತಗಂದ್ರೆ
Python is the interpreted with high-level general-purpose programming language. We are required 3.6. Python is a dynamic, object-oriented, high-level programming language that can be used for many kinds of software development and supported operating system. Ubuntu is an open-source operating system that runs from the desktop to the cloud to the all our over internet connection things. Ubuntu is an Linux-based operating for computer and network server. It is developed by a base called Canonical Limited. All the principles used to develop the Ubuntu software development. Other Mac OS X. Mac OS is operating system that runs on machines computer. It was first released in 2001 and over the a few years replaced Mac OS 9, also known as Mac OS Classic. It is called Mac OS X.
Karthik, don't read. Clearly tell what is your tools use. What is this you are going on reading? Speak out clearly so that everybody can understand.
It was first released in 2001 and over the next few years replaced of Mac OS 9, and also known as Mac OS Classics. It was called as Mac OS X. It applies to the series property graphical operating system development and marketing.
Next thing, why are you detailing explaining a software and hardware requirement as though we don't know what is Python? Where is conclusion slide?
Other operating systems. Any other operating system?
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? Minimal hardware and software requirement needed for your project, that only you mention. What is other OS? What is Python? Why are you elaborating those things? You want half an hour for each batch? Go for the concluding slide.
Conclusion. The chapter describes the main process of the work of monitor is noise pollution and other various parameters like temperature. The chapter describes the efficient data fusion methods for localization and tracking. Localization is the more extensive entire process of adopting as a product. Contains a specific translation is process of converting text from one language to the another language. Tracking is the maintenance of the constant different in frequency between two or more constrained components or circuits. The interfaces is done between the system and the sensors network controlled by controller with wireless multimedia sensors networks compressing nodes with low cost cameras in main sensors is approaches adopted in the particularly scheme where is the image captured by each camera node are processed locally used segmentation algorithms from the monitoring process. The system is achieved with reliability and usability. Will be reduced, the cost will be low. Environment management. The approaches adopted is the partially scheme where the image is captured by each camera node or the process usually segmented. Segmentation is the
Can you show me the block diagram is there in the your project? Over the block diagram.